The Cochlea by KayScience.com. The amplified sound waves then go on to the cochlea, which I'm colouring in green. The cochlea contains a liquid which first detects these vibrations. Inside the cochlea, there are tiny hairs which detect the vibrations and create electrical impulses.
It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding.
That was a reminder of where we find the cochlea in the ear. Here I'm drawing a cochlea which is coiled up, and this is how it's found in the ear. We're now going to look at an uncoiled cochlea to understand the cochlea in more detail. Here I'm drawing an uncoiled cochlea, which is showing the structures on the inside. This is the membrane, which is surrounded by a fluid. And this fluid is what first transmits the vibrations from the tiny bones to the membranes. So the fluid first detects the vibrations from the tiny bones. And this is the membrane. It detects vibrations from the fluid. We can see it's the stiffest and thickest at the base, and it's the thinnest at the apex.
It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding.
Here I'm drawing tiny hairs found on the surface of the membrane. There are thousands of hairs on the membrane, and they detect vibrations along the membrane. Each hair cell is connected to a neuron, and each hair cell converts the vibration into an electrical impulse, which is what gets sent to the brain. And we know the cochlea is connected to the brain by the auditory nerve. So this is the auditory nerve which connects the cochlea to the brain. The membrane is thickest at the base and detects up to 20,000 Hz frequencies of sound. The membrane is thinnest at the apex and detects as low as 20 Hz of frequencies of sound.
It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.